Today we are exploring Advent of Code 2023, Day 11, Cosmic Expansion. I am going to show you 10 lines of code which solve it in 110 milliseconds. Let's dive in. We are given a giant image of the universe with galaxies, represented by hash marks. The rest is filled with dots which represent vast empty space. The researcher is trying to figure out the sum of the lengths of the shortest path between every pair of galaxies. However, there is a catch. The universe expanded in the time it took the light from those galaxies to reach the observatory. Due to something involving gravitational effects, only some space expands. In fact, the result is that any rows and columns that contain no galaxies should all actually be twice as big. First, we load the universe data and duplicate rows with no galaxies. We search for columns with no galaxies and then we insert empty spaces at those positions in each row. Then we can find galaxy positions in the expanded universe and some distances between all pairs of galaxies. In the end, we divide the sum by 2 because we counted both distances from A to B and from B to A. In the second part, we are asked to calculate the same sum, but the universe has expanded much more. Instead of the expansion we did before, we make each empty row and column 1,000,000 times larger. That is, each empty row or column should be replaced with 1,000,000 empty rows and columns. Instead of expanding the universe in memory, we create a list of row and column IDs which are empty. Now we can calculate galaxy coordinates in the expanded universe. The x-coordinate is the original x-coordinate plus the number of empty columns before the original x times expansion constant, in this case 1,000,000 minus 1. I used a bisection search to find the number of empty columns before the original x. Similarly, the y-coordinate can be calculated. Now we can shorten the code a little and calculate solutions for both parts at once. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.